Chapter 3, the chromosomal basic inheritance. Chromosomal theory of the inheritance. The histological development of the chromosomal theory, silent feature of the chromosomal theory of inheritance, support for the chromosomal theory of heredity, comparison between the gene and the chromosomal behavior, linkage eye color in Drosophila and seed color in maize, and then coupling and repletion theory, kinds of linkage group, the crossing over and recombination and a gene mapping. What are that? Mechanism of crossing over, type of the crossing over, importance of the crossing over, recombination, and the genetic mapping. And then multiple alleles, characterization of the multiple alleles, self sterility of the nicotine, and then sex determination in the plants. What are that? Sex determination in the paparia, sex determination in the sporocarpus, and then sex determination in the maize, and then mutation types and then mutation agents of their significance, types of the mutations and mutagenic agents and chromosomal mutations, and DNA metabolism in plants. What are them? Eukaryotics DNA replications, experiments evidence of the DNA replication and trial and experiments, and the protein synthesis. Protein synthesis in the plants, what are that? Uh, Transcription, RNA splicing in plants, translations, alternative splicing in plants, and RNA editing and postal transcriptional and RNA processing in plants and jumping genes. These are all the chromosomal basic ingredients. This is chapter 3. What is the chromosomal theory of the inheritance? G.J. John Mental, 1865, the studies of inheritance of the well-defined characters of the pure plants, but for the several reasons it was recognized till 1900. Three scientists, D. Veris, Correns, and then Techno, then independently they rediscover the mental results on inheritance of the characters. The various categories also observed the cell divisions due to the advancement of the microscope. Cell divisions, advancements of the microscopy. The eukaryotic cells worm-shaped structure formed during cell divisions is called as chromosome. Color, bodies visualized by the staining. A chromosome consists of the coil of the DNA which has gene arranged of the linear order. What is the linear order? Heredity units, chromosomal theory of inheritance, and then mental factors of the gene and specific locus of the position of the gene. Chromosomes carry out information of the gene is the next generations. So then here the first of all the mentalisms of the factors on the chromosomes of the behavior of the uh, and then alleles of the factors of the pairs, the chromosomes behavior of the chromosomes occur in the pair. So before the Thomas Hanson Morgan 1933 received the Nobel Prize in the physiological of the medicine, he has discovered the concurrence of the role of the displayed of the chromosomes of the heredity. Homotherapy. In the apple plant, 34 chromosome numbers, rice 24 chromosomes, potato 48, maize 20, onion 60, and helplop means garlic 4. These are all the number of the organisms, and then first of all linkage. Linkage. Linkage means a gene located close together on the same chromosomes and inherited together. That is called linkage. Linkage. What is the crossing over? Interchange of the corresponding segment between the non-sister chromatids of the homogeneous chromosomes. That is called as crossing over. Crossing over. Already I tell you what is the mechanism of crossing over. The crossing over is a precise process of including the stages like synapse, trade formations of this called and terminalization. That is called as crossing over. Crossing over. Linkage. First of all, linkage. Link means one to one link. Link to the one to link linkage. This is a picture of the linkage. The gene do not allow themselves be they separately, so they do not arrest the independently. The type of the tendril of gene of together during the separation of the chromosomes is called linkage. Linkage, that is a link. Gene 1, gene 2, link genes. Unlinked genes means gene 1 to gene 2. Therefore, the arrangement of the linkage of the unlinked gene of the chromosomes. Gene located close together on the same chromosomes is inherited together, the called as linked gene. But two genes are the sufficiently far apart from the same chromosome is called unlinked genes, unsync genes, such as the condition is known as synanthony. That synanthony. Second one, then linkage. And linkage is a sex linkage. What is sex linkage? In the linkage genes associated sex chromosomes, the condition is called as sex linkage. What is chromosome? In eukaryotic cells, prokaryotic, eukaryotic, the eukaryotic cells, worm-shaped structure from the during the cell divisions are called chromosomes. Color bodies visualized by the staining. What is a linkage? Some genes are not allowed themselves to be separated, so they not assert the independently. This type in the tendency of the gene stage together during the separate of the chromosomes called as linkage. One linkage groups, the group of the linearly arranged linked gene chromosome is called as linkage group. The number of linkage group correspondingly to the number haploid the chromosomes. Okay. What is a multiple alleles? When any of the three or more alleles from gene occupy the same loci in the gene given the pair of the homologous chromosomes, they said they called as multiple alleles. So, completion repletion theory. What is a completion or repletion theory? The two dominant alleles, recessive alleles, occur the same homologous chromosomes, tend inherited together in the same gamete are called completion and then sequence configurations. Okay, the dominant or recessive alleles, the present two different homologous chromosomes in inherited appear different gamete is called as repletion transfer configurations. What are kinds of linkage? T.H. Morgan found together two type of linkage. They are complete linkage and then incomplete linkage, independently upon the absence of presence of the new combinations of linkage gene. The complete linkage, the chance of the separate of the two D-link genes, not a possible gene to always remain together, the result only the parental combinations are observed. The linked genes are located very closely together on the same chromosome. Such genes do not exhibit the chromosomes. This phenomenon is called as complete linkage. It is rare to have been reported Drosophila. C.P. the Bridge 1919 discovered the crossing over the completely absent sums of the male of the Drosophila. That is the crossing linkage. The groups already I told you crossing over. On the Morgan 1912, that takes place during the stage in the meiosis. Usually crossing over occur the germinal cells and then cell crossing. It has the universal occur that has great significance. Mechanism of what is crossing over. Already I told you crossing over. Crossing over is a and then stomatic and then mitotic crossing over. Mitotic generation crossing over. And the homologous pair in the chromosomes. The crossing over was coined the Morgan 1912 takes place during the next stage in the prophase in one of the metasis. Okay, mechanism of crossing over. What is the mechanism of crossing over? First of all, crossing over is a precise process including the stages of the like synapses, and then prosynaptic synapses, pro-terminal synapses, and random synapses. Tetroid formation, crossing over. Okay, terminalization. There are four are the one by one. I tell you, synapses. The intermediate pairing between the two homologous chromosomes in the intrate the during the zygote stage. One is meiosis and the homozygosis. Here, then the pairing of the phenomenon is called as synapses and then synapses. The tetraformations. Their tetraformations form the two identical non-sister centromiers, non-sister chromosomes. Okay, is a chromatin stage is a tetra stage. The tetra stage. What is the crossing over? Already I told you the crossing over occur in the penetrating stage pair making the content of the one or more points and the homologous chromosomes. Chiasmata. Here the crossing over, phase 1. First one the non-sister chromatic of the homologous chromosome, tetrand. And then kind stages of process, chiasma and site of crossing over. Capital O, capital and capital A, capital B and a, small b. The color will change the blue color to tetra. And then chiasma is crossing over, metaphase 1, metaphase 2, and then recombinant daughter cells is a parental type and parental type 2 recombinants, mechanism of crossing over. And then terminalization. After the crossing over, chiasma starts the move towards the terminal and the end of the chromatin. This is known as terminalizations. As a result, complete separately chromosomes occurred. Also, what is the importance of crossing over? Importance of the crossing over. Crossing over occurred the all organisms like bacteria, yeast, fungi, higher plants and animals. The crossing over occur the organisms like that. Bacteria is a microorganisms, yeast and fungi. The higher plants also. Already I told you the what is the crossing over and then what is the linkage. The crossing over, importance of the crossing over. They are the higher plants also. The exchange of the segment leading new gene combination of this play. New gene of the play the importance. Studies of the crossing over is a reveal the gene on the arrangement linear of the chromosomes. And third one are genetic maps made based on the frequency of crossing over. The crossing over helps the understanding the natural mechanism of gene actions. If a useful new combination of the formed they can use in the plant breeding method. These are all the crossing over. Next class here about the recombinations. What are the recombinations? Next class here about the recombinations and the genetic map. Then genetic map, genetic distance and the multiple alleles. Then sex determination of the plants, then mutations. Mutations are some sudden change of the change types of the mutation, chromosomal mutations. Then what are the changes of the mutations? Okay, next class. Thank you.